It is my privilege to invite on stage. Thank you, sir. Our student, to please welcome him with a Thank you, sir. Sardili Bay, Chairman, Block Education Development Board, Bokancham. Our dear Principal, Sir, Dr. Anil Chas. So here are our invited dignitaries.
Sitting out there, who knows that a doctor, engineer, professor, and great politician will be from among you all. My dear student friends, I would also like to suggest you to dream high and make word of the knowledge you gain from this college. It is found that it is most of your youth, we are often confused in choosing our career. There are one instance of such where I have found that a student pursuing an art stream is saying his aim in life is to become a doctor. So dear friends, don't be like that person. You need to choose your career wisely when you are in art, and you have the diversity of choosing your career path. But studying in science stream will also limit your scope. Apart from becoming doctor, engineer, or scientist, you can also become an administrator by appearing in UPSC, APSC, or other competitive examination. So, my dear friend, you need to push yourself beyond the limit to establish yourself as a successful person. Let you be unique from others. There should always be the zeal of competition, and such mindset will give you to the edge over others. You are not only a son or daughter of your parents and a student of this college, but you are an asset of the society. The more you gain the wisdom and knowledge, the more beneficial to the society, as the society progresses only with the presence of such a knowledgeable person. Once you are educated and skilled, you are eligible for undertaking any challenge come to our life. It's the power of education that make you polished and excellent. As we all know, we are going for our Mission 2025. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We are looking for a quality education, reformation. So that's why we are targeting and focus for 2025, Mission 2025. So that's why